In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website template on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to refresh your site's look or trying to find something that better suits your brand's personality, switching templates can be an easy and efficient way to make it happen. Let's dive straight into the process, ensuring you're prepared and comfortable every step of the way. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Hostinger's URL. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar Hostinger homepage. Your first destination is the login page. Locate and click the login button on the top right corner of your screen. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have those at the ready. If you're signed in automatically, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the website section. This is your central hub for everything about your website projects. Clicking on website will reveal various options, but what you're interested in is managing and altering your site's appearance, so let's continue. Next, find the option labeled Hosting a Website Builder and click it. This will open up the interface that allows you to manage your current website's layout and template settings. The Website Builder is a tool that provides you with a seamless way to manage, create, and customize your site's appearance, so you're always looking your best online. Now that you're in the Website Builder, let's proceed to change your template. Look for the templates or similar option. In our case, you should be able to find something labeled Product Page Template along the options listed. Selecting this will present a plethora of templates to choose from. Browse through the options until you find one that resonates with your brand's message and aesthetic. When you've selected the template you want, simply click on it to apply. Hostinger will handle the rest, applying the changes across your website. This process is straightforward and usually only takes a few moments, but don't worry if it takes a minute or two longer. Once your new template is applied, feel free to explore and tweak any minor aspects to better fit your specific needs. Congratulations! You've now successfully changed your website template on Hostinger. Not only does this update the look of your website, but it can also offer a fresh and engaging way for visitors to interact with your content. Remember, the perfect template is out there for you, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find the one that feels just right. Thank you for joining me, and happy building with Hostinger.